Kepler's first law states that planets move around the Sun in elliptical orbits. When people usually draw an ellipse on a sheet of paper, they use two nails, and pound them, on paper sheet, on a straight line. Of course, the sheet is on some wooden table, or something like that. Then they take a string, and wrap it around those nails. Finally, they place a pencil inside the string, and stretch it out, so that string gets pulled, and pencil gets ready to draw. In Algodoo, we can recreate this real-world practice graphically, and visualize it for our students. So, let's do it. Open Algodoo, and switch off the gravity, and other forces like air and friction, and switch on the grid, so that we could draw our nails on a straight line. Now, take a circle from Tools menu, and draw a small circle, somewhere on a horizontal line. Next, make a copy of the circle, by selecting the clone option from right-click menu. And, drag the copy, and place it on the same horizontal line, towards right or left side, as you wish. Now, if you like, give some proper texture to your circles, so that they look realistic. And now, you can switch off the grid as well. Next, select both of the nails, and right-click on one of them, then select Geometry Actions, from the drop-down menu, and then choose Glue to Background. This will glue the nails to the background, so they won't move, or fall. Now take a string, from Tool menu, select Rope from the options, and also decrease the link distance, so that it looks like a string. And draw a rough closed loop around the nails. Like so. You can zoom in your scene, if you think it's hard to draw a closed loop around the nails. OK. Once you have drawn a proper loop, you are ready to switch on the gravity from the bottom menu. And play the animation. You can see it's exactly the same thing that we wanted for our purpose. We want to draw an ellipse with old practical way, and this is how you should do it, with pen and paper, at home. Next, put a circle inside the rope, like it's a pencil. You can also assign a pencil texture to it, if you like. Now play the animation. You can see now, our string has tightened. Now, it's time to switch off the gravity. Next, right-click on the pencil, and select Material from drop-down menu. Then give the pencil a little mass. Then go to the velocities, in the menu, and give a little velocity to your pencil, along x-axis, and also the same amount, along y-axis. Play the animation. Wait a little for settling the pencil up. It will take a stabilized orbital form, in a few seconds. Once it's done, stop the animation. Right-click on the pencil. From drop-down menu, choose Geometry Actions, then Attach Tracer. It will attach a tracer to the pencil. Right-click on the tracer, and from Tracer Options, increase fade time to its maximum level. And decrease the diameter to 0.05. Now, you can play your animation. And that's it. You can see now, with just Kepler's foci, we've created a proper eclipse. It's just a computer simulation, but it still helps imagining the Kepler's point. It's also a demonstration of Kepler's first law, if we just assume that one of the foci is Sun. He said planets move around the Sun in elliptical orbits. And one of the foci is Sun. That is called Kepler's first law.